Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about the new Tempur Pedic Ergo Extend and how to set it up. First though, I need my mattress prints and a helper. Whoa! You guys didn't show up very quick. Alright, let's go guys. Two quick tips. You're going to want to unbox these or take these out rather. They have a big orange zip tie. You're going to want to pop these out. These are your legs. This is your power, and then you actually have a retainer bar that has a little twist tie. You're going to need to take that off as well. Last tip is you're going to want to find that twist tie. It has the connection to your power. I always recommend installing the power before you flip the base over. So first thing is, you're going to find this end, plug it in, and then the end that Mr. Richard just untied is going to fit into this end. We're also going to want to install the metal retainer bar. Pretty simple installation here. You find one end, you fit it in the hole. Then you're going to have to actually pull it over a little bit and fit it into the other hole, and you're all set. Then we're going to plug it into power. Make sure it works. Bada bing. Last thing I need is my mattress prints and a mattress. And that's how you install the new Tempur Pedic Ergo Extend. Tune in next week. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.